I recently realized something about my mind that completely changed the way I live life. I was journaling and I noticed that no matter how much I achieve in life, my mind always had the next thing to ask for. When I was in school, I used to think once I get into the college, I'll finally enjoy life. Then I got in, and for a few months, it felt amazing. But soon my mind said, now it's time to start your own business. Then it became, now let's earn more money. Now let's become more successful. And I don't know if you have ever noticed the same pattern in your life, that when you reach one goal, your mind naturally creates another one. And this race from one goal to another keeps you away from living this life to the fullest. That's when I realized I had been living by what I now call the invisible pedestal. It's an imaginary place where you have kept your fulfillment of your life and everything that you deserve in life. The version that has figured it all out, and without even realizing, you start attaching every beautiful experience of your life to reaching to the top. I'll enjoy life once I have it all. I'll follow my passion then. I'll feel confident then. So, unknowingly, everything in your life starts waiting for you to first reach to that pedestal. But here's the strange part. The moment you finally reach to the top, your mind reveals that this is still not enough and shows you a new top of the same pedestal. Now, the old dreams aren't enough anymore. Now you need something bigger, something better, and you keep climbing, believing that this time fulfillment is waiting for you at the top, but it never arrives. Because fulfillment was never standing on that pedestal, it was always waiting for you within yourself. In this present moment where you are already living in, every feeling, the peace, the calmness, the inner fulfillment, everything already exists within you. Still, you keep searching for it outside of you through external wins. That's why I changed one formula in my life. Instead of living by, let me first be someone, I started living by, let me first be me. I still have dreams. I still want to build something meaningful, but I no longer attach my peace, my joy, and my experience of life to that pedestal that my mind created. Because I know it all already exists within me. And I genuinely believe that the moment you erase that imaginary pedestal from your mind, you stop becoming someone else and you start living life, because you were never one achievement away from being enough. You were always been enough to fully experience this life by being who you already are. So before you go, I would genuinely love to hear your biggest realization from this episode. Share it in the comment section below, and I would like to continue this conversation with the people of this on the similar path. Or you have any questions to ask me personally, then you can join the Come Back to Yourself community. The link is in the description box below. With that, I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, start coming closer to yourself every single day.